Hey guys, Elliot from One Addiction here with
Wayne, One Addiction.
And we have a Forcite Founders Edition helmet. And I put this in the story the other day that I was going to do an unboxing video. It's Dwayne's helmet and I didn't. I thought we'll wait till he gets here. He's already opened it, but apparently not unwrapped it. So this is the first time I have ever seen a Forcite helmet. Surface mount, what's that for, Dwayne?
To mount it to your handlebars or something, maybe your tank.
No, there's a bar control mount. Did you have to pay for all this stuff or did it come with it?
It came with this model.
Get out, really?
One of everything. What's
this thing? What's a big Bluetooth controller?
Bar mount.
Wait, come in with the camera. Come in.
Camera shields.
This goes on the handlebars.
It does. This is how we delete our footage.
to control it. That's cool. So that can, alright. Don't lose any of your stuff, mate. There's a charge cable. I'm just trying to get to the good stuff. Oh yeah, Founders Edition. Oh, you come with a shirt for me.
Shame it's medium, hey?
Have you actually not opened it?
Actually, it's a small, but I'm sure it'll fit.
You've not opened it?
I have not opened it, man. I cut the tape because, you know, didn't need that on video, did we? It looks good.
Oh yeah, actually. Dear Forcite founder, welcome to the future of writing.
Ooh.
That's
for me.
This is all very official.
We will review this as well. We will have more on order.
You get two visors.
A dark smoke and a iridium.
Okay.
So they're releasing another one tomorrow, I think, like 300, and you get an option of one of the visors. So
300 only.
300 for the moment.
You ready?
Don't drop it.
Yeah, can't afford it. In the moment. Look at that visual carbon looks great. That looks awesome. So if you haven't seen one of these, if you don't know what a Forcite helmet is, I do not have time to explain it. You need to watch the YouTube videos. In short, it's got a camera, it's got a built-in center style thing, it's got little lights and stuff that come through here and tell you where the cops are and when to turn and if your phone's ringing and who's ringing and like just a whole bunch of really wild, awesome stuff. But like, honestly, to look at though, it just looks like a really nice carbon fiber helmet. And it's nowhere near as heavy as I thought it would be. It's kind of a little heavy there, where that camera and all that computer shit is. I know you should probably feel it's your lid.
Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it?
Put it on.
Considering it's got so much stuff in it.
Can you turn it on unless your lights come on?
I wouldn't have a clue how.
I'm sure there's an instruction manual. I found the instruction manual. So underneath the chin pad, there's a power button.
Camera. Slide and something.
Oh, and there's like your
power button.
Come closer. Push the camera up. Let's press it. Does it do anything? Need charging or something?
It probably does need charging.
Wait, put it on. What does it feel like? Dwayne's gonna put it on now.
If it fits.
Hopefully not. Fingers crossed. It's too big. Too big. Oh, it's fucking way too big.
Wow, that's actually pretty good, eh?
That's way too big. No chance.
Better than what I thought.
Is it nice? Does it fit like it?
That is pretty good.
Like brand name helmet good?
Compared to my my Shoei, it's that actually does feel pretty cool.
Wait, I think the visual carbon. Grab Mr. Camera. Actually, random Curide students, I won't identify them. Can you pass me that carbon helmet that's on the top over there? And we're not gonna, like, I don't want to show any brand names on there. Look, let's just cover that. The visual carbon of this Forcite looks great. This is a brand name helmet and was not a cheap helmet. So just FYI. Not that the Forcite is a cheap helmet by any scope, but comparing the two, this borderline looks better, doesn't it?
Looks pretty good. Yeah, when you compare also the technology that you have to spend money on.
Yeah, well, I'll put that on the carbon helmet down there.
That's cool.
The moment of truth.
Sticky, sweaty head in my helmet.
Am I under the impression, like this comes with a built-in communications thing?
Yeah, right. Yes.
And it's...
And
oh,
they're
shit,
doing heaps of upgrades via the software, so...
Well, you didn't order me a medium, did you? Sweet, merciful God.
That's why it fits me really well.
Oh. This is snug fit. I can't see very well out of it because my cheeks are covering my eyes currently.
Is that an internal visor in it?
Yeah, we feel around, I bet I can... Yeah, look.
I didn't expect for it to have one of those and still be pretty light.
I'm gonna
take it off and we'll get you a large, hey? That's great.
So I'm gonna possibly go a size up on what I would normally wear in a helmet. Like if I was gonna race in it, I probably would actually wear that size. That's like snug and fits really, really good, but not nice.
But that explains
like
a lot. The other helmets that we've tried, so I've been like a small medium, and you've always been a medium large. So
yeah.
So usually they actually fit you, but this one fits me. It's great.
There you go. That means I do not get this particular Founders Edition, and I have to order a regular one like all of you. If you thought this video was great, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.